Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was a stock market holiday. So today is after the holiday break in US in terms of trading the stock market. And I did a few day trades, overall profitable. In fact, the indices was positive before market open, meaning pre-market open. Pre-market that time market was positive, but after market open it actually went down. In fact, now it's still down after market open. My swing trades, on the other hand, went into deeper into profits. Why? I'll show you. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. You can see over here, I did a day trade on Comcast, right? And also on the micro S&P index by shorting it down, right? Because market went down after market open. And also Oracle, which made me $52. And another day trade on Oxy. It was a quick trade, right? Making $12. So overall, my day trades with this 30 and this 40 and this 50, I would say roughly $100+, right? Okay, but you can see a realized profit of $233 is all because I took some partial from my swing trades, right? Okay, do some partial. And one thing to know that UPS actually opened quite low, and I went in again when it opened, which was a good move because after that it just kept on going higher and higher, and I took some partial profits from here also. So overall, my swing trades, if you look at these all added up, right, I have an unrealized profit of $245, right, plus my realized profit from my partial profit taking on my swing trades and my day trades, right? Total today is $233, right? So pretty good day, I would say. Could have been better. Why? Because my day trades was just slightly better than okay, right? Why I say this is because for Comcast, right? Okay, I traded at market open, right? Roughly 2-3 minutes after that, I traded it. Got in quite late at 36.95 thereabout. I could have got in at 36.90, right? But I got in much later, and I got out roughly somewhere here, right? Okay, around 37.2. But you can see there's another big move here, right? Which means my Comcast trade could have been additional $100 of profits, right? Okay, or at least $50 to $80 of profits from this account, right? Okay, but I didn't get it. So slightly, it's a winning trade, but could have got better profits, right? Okay, but on hindsight, we will say it this way, but at the point, you will never know, right? Okay, so we do the best that we can. And I shorted on Oxy over here and took a very small profit over here. Not very good to short this stock today. You can see that it's actually going sideways up, in fact going to go another higher high just for today, right? Okay, but anyway, I still did short it and still make a small profit, which is this would be have considered a good trade, right? Oracle is one that I shorted it at almost market open as well. In fact, at the start, it actually went against me, didn't hit my stop loss, and it kept on going down, and I took profits. And why I say today overall market is not so good is because all the indices actually started at a high, right? At a high, it started positive, right? Okay. But after market open, it just kept on selling off like what we are experiencing now, right? Okay, in fact, it's going even lower, right? Okay, it's going even lower. Same thing for Dow Jones is pretty sideways. But Dow Jones is not a good representation. Why? Because it's only 30 component stocks, right? S&P has 500 stocks, and Nasdaq has all the tech stocks in it, right? So you can see over here, Nasdaq, since market open, right, it has been going down, bounce back a little bit. Now is another wave, a strong wave going down as well, right? Okay, so today market itself is not so good, but having said that, my account is pretty healthy. In fact, a lot of my swing trades actually went against the overall market indices, right? Whether it's Dow Jones or Nasdaq, right? The stocks, the swing trade stocks that I did actually went deeper into profits, which is a good thing, right? Okay, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Hopefully that is going to continue all the way tomorrow or even next week, right? Remains to be seen. I'll update you again, but basically doing pretty okay, right? Pretty well, regardless of the market movement. In fact, by right, normally the indices go down, right? Stocks will go down, and the stocks that we pick normally will go down, right? Okay, so the question is why, right? Why the stocks that I picked didn't go down, instead it go up, even though the overall majority, the major indices and majority of the stocks out there, right? Majority of the stocks out there are actually in the red, right? Okay, you can see over here, or even in my liquid stocks list, right? Okay, quite a number, like more than 50% are pretty in the red, right? Okay, that is because of choosing the right stocks to trade. I will base it on that, right? Okay, and we can see now is even deeper into profits now as we are speaking, right? And that is by using my proprietary proven strategy, which I share during my workshop, right? A free workshop for the public every month, right? It's a limited workshop. I don't hold it often. So if you can catch me in my next workshop, make sure you register and attend to learn this strategy, how to pick the right stocks to move at the right time, irregardless of how the market performs, right? Okay, because they are due to move out. The way I see it, they are due to move out regardless of whether the market is moving up or down, right? Okay, like what we are seeing here. But of course, a lot of times it may not be the case, right? But even if that is not the case, we do have our stop loss in place just to make sure we have a small loss, right? Okay, so yeah, pretty good. Last couple of weeks not so good, but I based on today's performance, right, and the past few days performance, I actually have already recouped most, if not all, of the losses that I incurred in the last 2 weeks. Why? Because the last 2 weeks the losses were small and small enough for me to recoup easily, right? Okay, that is the key thing. When you are not informed, you're not in sync with the market, you make sure your losses are small, right? When you are wrong about the markets, you make sure your losses are small, right? Okay, and once you are right, like what we are seeing here, make sure like you are riding the profits, make sure your big profits are bigger than your losing trades, so that you can easily recoup your losses and still overall make a overall profit, right? Just like what we are seeing now, right? Okay, yeah, that's all from me. I hope that this week has been good to you and you're making good profits for yourself as well, right? I'll see you in my next update. And before I go, like I say again, if you are interested to learn more about the strategy that I use to pick all these winning stocks, winning trades, profitable trades, make sure you click on the link somewhere around here to register for my free workshop coming up soon, right? Okay, so make sure you do that, and I'll see you soon. May the profits always be with you. See you in my next update.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.